Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to answer your previous reconciliation on QuickBooks Online, then this video is for you. As you all know that answering the previous reconciliation on your QuickBooks Online is not that much easy if you have lots of data. So all you have to know about is the date. So if you want to manually undo the previous reconciliation on QuickBooks, so you must need to know the date in which date you have reconciled that and you want to undo that right now. So let's get started and see how you can turn it. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online. So once you are on QuickBooks Online, you can find the left side navigation section where from here you can find the transaction, where you can find reconcile, or you can simply click on this gear icon in the top right corner where you can also find the reconcile in the tools section. So simply click on it where you can find which account do you want to reconcile. So you can select the account from here. So I'm going to select this one, for example, now resume. And from here you can find there is a reconcile here that I have just added. You can also add it from here. So if you want to undo it, there is sometimes arrow icon here where you can simply just like this simply click on it, or you can simply click on show me around here or know each and everything for about it, just like this. So if you find the arrow icon, you can click on it where you can find the undo button here. Also you can simply click on this gear icon here where you can find different types of options. So once you have clicked on the reconcile here, and from here you can find the edit option where you will be able to delete it or undo it. What you can say, you can simply click on more button here where you can find delete option. Simply click on delete again, so this will delete the transaction or the reconciliation from this reconcile list. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.